A Syracuse nursing home working to recover from its troubled past of patient neglect is not evidently impressing the family of one of its current rehab patients with coronavirus. When his daughter couldn't get answers from the facility, she turned to News Channel 9. Andrew Donovan went looking for answers.
Elizabeth Moya is now quarantined at her home in Cicero after seeing her 82-year-old father at the Bishop Health and Rehab Center, who's there because of 3 strokes on top of Parkinson's and dementia.
Because my mother did hug him, and I kind of hugged him, but I didn't know, I was nervous. I wanted to hug him so bad, but I was so nervous.
2 days after being invited to the rehab center to help prepare her dad for discharge, she got the call. Her dad was exposed to coronavirus and, despite not feeling symptoms, tested positive.
I said, well, how many people have it? And they said, well, we can tell you his roommate also tested positive. We do have a COVID floor. And I'm like, okay, so there's got to be quite a few.
Moya says the staff won't tell her how many patients have coronavirus. The state health department directed me to the facility for that number, and they wouldn't tell me either.
I don't know how many people have COVID-19 at Bishop's. If I knew the answer right now, I'd probably just tell you right now, and that would be the end of it.
A facility spokesperson says COVID-19 patients are together on a special floor with its own air supply, similar to isolation rooms in hospitals, to protect the rest of the building, with a separate entrance for staff.
And we can't get a hold of my father because there's only one phone, and it's so busy. It just doesn't all add up to me. Like, what does the public not know?
Once she does get someone on the phone, Moya feels she's not getting enough information from nursing home staff or the government.
I just want them to talk more about nursing homes and what, before it becomes like situations we've seen and heard about in other states and cities. I just don't feel like we're being told the real truth.
I asked the facility's spokesperson a few times to tell me how many people here have coronavirus, but he refused. He says because that number fluctuates. Every day, people are being admitted here for rehab, whether or not they have coronavirus. In Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.